Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
We plan to get voters in each constituency, shortlist candidates who are good people, who are not involved in matka gambling, who are not involved in any illegal activities, who are not gang leaders, who are not otherwise identified as rogues. Because what I notice is that generally very law breakers are elected as MLAs, and then the BJP uses its ED to get them to shift sides. So time has come for ordinary Goans to field ordinary Goan candidates and get them elected. Now we wouldn't want, I am not saying that we are supporting any political party. The convention will decide to support any one political party, and all candidates will be given to that party to be fielded, and we will all work together to get the candidates elected, provided that party is willing to announce the candidates some 3 to 6 months in advance. If no party is willing to do that, we hope to ourselves convert into a political movement and go ahead for elections. You see, I believe that Atishi of AAP is in Goa now. It is difficult to understand why, when there is a major issue of electoral roll manipulation by the election commission in Bihar, why AAP is quiet? Why is it not with the opposition parties in supporting the agitation in Bihar? It's very disheartening to note that Kejriwal, with all his big claims, is remaining silent on such a critical issue. What is wrong with AAP? I do not understand why they are not acting. See, it is therefore important that we, the people of Goa, gather together, and the activists who after every election go on fighting the government which they themselves have elected must have a role to see the proper persons are elected. So therefore I expect all Goans, no one is going to be invited in person. This is a general call to all Goans who love this land and who still have some hope that things can still be brought back on the rails, will attend the meeting. It is just an informal meeting, and the future course of action will be decided by the convention. Will have no political opinion there, and before I close, let me make it very clear that I will not be contesting elections.